Hello, everyone, and welcome back to Easy Talk Hub, the place where learning English feels natural and enjoyable. I'm Anna.
Hello, Anna, and hello to all our wonderful listeners. I'm really happy to be here with you today.
It's great to see you, Mark. You look cheerful today. That smile says a lot.
I feel great, Anna. The year is almost over.
I know, right? It's hard to believe we are already at the end of the year. Time flew by.
It really did. It went by like a racing bike. Whoosh!
Exactly. And because the year is ending, today's episode is a little special.
Oh, I like special episodes. What are we talking about today?
Today, we are going to talk about how to plan your next year in a simple way.
Planning a whole year sounds important and maybe a bit stressful.
It can feel big, but don't worry. We'll keep it easy and clear. Just small steps to organize your life.
That's good news. I'm not very organized. My plans are usually all over the place.
That's okay, Mark. This episode is for you and for everyone listening.
Before we begin, we have a small request for our listeners.
Yes! If you enjoy our videos, please press the like button. It really helps our channel.
And don't forget to subscribe to Mr. English channel so we can learn English together every week.
Also, share this video with a friend. You can plan the new year together.
That's a great idea. Planning with someone makes it more fun. Okay, Anna, I'm ready. Where do we start?
The first step is actually not about the future. It's about the past.
The past? But we're planning the new year.
I know, but first we need to look back. This is called reflection.
Reflection, like looking at yourself.
Yes, exactly. You look at the year that is ending and ask, what went well?
Oh, I see. I think about the good moments from this year.
Right. We call those moments highlights.
Highlights. So I should write down my favorite memories.
Yes, take a notebook and write 3 to 5 happy things from this year.
Let me think. This year, I visited my grandparents. That was really nice.
That's a perfect example. Thinking about it makes you smile, right?
Yes, it does. I remember laughing a lot.
Good. Writing these things helps you understand what matters to you.
Okay, step 1 is reflection. What's step 2?
Step 2 is about the future, but carefully.
Carefully. Why?
Because many people make the same mistake. They choose too many goals.
Oh, yes, that's me. I say I'll exercise every day, read 40 books, learn a new language, eat healthy.
That's too much, Mark. You'll feel tired very quickly.
You're right. I usually give up after 1 month.
So this time, choose only one big goal.
Just one?
Yes, one goal that is really important to you.
I think my big goal next year is health.
That's a great choice. Write it clearly. Health.
Done. Now what?
Now you break that big goal into small actions.
Small actions make big goals easier.
Exactly. What's one small thing you can do for your health?
I can walk more.
Perfect. For example, walk for 20 minutes every day.
That sounds doable. I can walk in the park after work.
That's a great habit. Simple and realistic.
I like this approach. It doesn't feel scary.
Good. Now let's move to step 3, my favorite part.
What is it?
You need a calendar.
I use my phone calendar.
That's fine, but I personally love a big paper calendar on the wall.
So you can see the whole year at once.
Yes, you can mark important days, holidays, birthdays, special plans.
Ah, birthdays. I sometimes forget those.
That's exactly why a calendar helps.
You're right. I'll write everything down this time.
And don't forget to plan fun things too.
Fun needs planning?
Yes, rest and joy are just as important as work.
I like that. Maybe I'll plan a short trip in summer.
That's a wonderful idea. When you write it down, it feels real.
I'm already excited.
Great. Now step 4 is something special.
What is it?
Choose a word of the year.
One word?
Yes. One word that describes how you want your year to feel.
Can you give an example?
Sure. My word for next year is balance.
Balance. I like that. Why balance?
Because I want time for work, rest, and family, not just work.
That makes sense. My word might be grow.
Grow, that's a powerful word.
Yes, when I feel lazy, I'll remember my word and take action.
Exactly. One simple word can guide your decisions.
Now, because this is an English channel, let's talk about planning your English.
Yes, how should we do that?
Don't say, I will be perfect in English.
But I want to be perfect.
Perfection takes time. Instead, choose something practical.
Like listening to English once a week?
Yes, or learning 5 new words every week.
5 words a week doesn't sound hard.
And in 1 year, that's more than 250 new words.
Wow, that's amazing.
Small steps really work.
I feel motivated now.
One more tip. Get a new notebook.
A special one just for the new year.
Yes, new paper gives a fresh feeling.
I love that. A clean start.
Write My 2025 plan on the first page and make it colorful.
I'll definitely use colors.
Perfect. So, Mark, do you feel ready for the new year now?
Yes, I do. I feel calmer and more confident.
Let's quickly review the steps.
Step 1. Reflect on the good moments from the past year.
Step 2. Choose one big goal and break it into small steps.
Step 3. Use a calendar for important and fun days.
Step 4. Choose your word of the year.
And don't forget to plan your English and buy a nice notebook.
Yes, the notebook is very important. Thank you, Anna. This was really helpful.
You're welcome. Planning helps reduce stress and clear your mind.
I agree. Writing things down makes me feel relaxed.
That's exactly what we want. A peaceful and happy new year.
And remember, we'll be here on Easy Talk Hub every week to support you.
Yes, put us in your calendar. Tuesday is Easy Talk Day.
I love that idea.
Before we say goodbye, we have a question for you.
Tell us in the comments, what is your word of the year?
We'd love to read your answers.
And don't forget to like, subscribe, and share this video.
Thank you for listening.
Happy planning, everyone!
Bye-bye. See you next time.